Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. For that you will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box, or better at the cover of the box, because here's another little black box, and if you release it and open it and pull the card out here, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just release it. Otherwise, by the way, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you're having a phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. On the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because next to the SIM tray is another hole. This is a microphone. Please take care and use the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now a SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Press a bit and the SIM tray will come out. At this SIM tray you're able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want, here on the other side of the SIM tray. By the way, what's SIM 1 and SIM 2, it's always here written in the middle. Let's start now with the first SIM card. It belongs to SIM 1 of course, and yeah, this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here at the SIM card that belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts, they are on top. Okay. If you want, you can add also a second SIM card if you want. Let me turn the SIM tray for that. But don't wonder, the first SIM card will always jump out. This is a construction problem here at the SIM tray at the S25 series. Okay, let's insert now the second SIM card. By the way, I recommend to you to do this always first with a second SIM card if you want to enter two. And yeah, this is how it should look like here. Exactly similar to the first SIM card. So missing corner here on missing corner. And the contacts, they are on top as well. Okay, let me insert now again the first SIM card here. And then if you're ready with, anyhow with one or two SIM cards here at the SIM tray, just enter it here at the SIM slot. The first SIM card is always on top, so to the display side now. Close it well. And yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.